Hello guys! Welcome back to my vlog. Well, today guys, we'll do grocery with Ate Alice and of course with Tim and Allison and Phil. Okay, we'll do charity. So okay Tim, let's go! Okay, where do we go?
We're going to the grocery.
We'll do grocery and then, okay, we'll go to this place in Tondo. So come on, let's go Tim. So, okay guys, we're here na. Of course, I'm with my angels para to help me distribute yung mga pamaskong Noche Buena. Go!
Yay!
Okay, go! Okay, okay, stay in front, Lot, and I'll stay with Timmy Boy here. Timmy Boy, come! Faster, we're late.
I'm the cameraman.
So we're all here in the car and we'll meet with Ate Alice and her staff and of course nandiyan ang angels and Phil and Allison will follow later. So okay, let's go to Tondo. Francis.
Saan sa Tondo, ma'am?
Ay, Francis, hindi ko alam saan sa Tondo. Basta hanapin mo yung Pure Gold sa Tondo. Okay, we'll go there. Thanks, Susan. Love you. Disclaimer, the sole purpose of this video is purely for entertainment. Of course, no bashing. It's for fun. Of course. Hello guys! We're now here in Pure Gold and of course, Ate's there na. Okay, let's go! Hello Ate, let's go na!
Let's go na!
Naku, Ate will join me for grocery, syempre charity. So Ate, let's go.
Let's go.
So si Ate so busy, ha? Oh guys, na-miss nyo to kasi ang daming nag-request I go grocery with Ate. So this is it, let's go!
Hi, Tita Alice.
Okay. Hi, Tim. So
Nice to see
handsome.
you.
Nice to see you again, Tim.
So let's go! Sila Phil gusto mag-join and Allison, so let's go! By the way guys, Ate called Susan na so that we'll be allowed to go grocery. Oh my gosh, thank you Susan! Ate,
Thank you, son.
San, thank you so much! So guys, ayan, hindi na kami babawalan ng guard. Kasi of course, na-inform na. Thank you Susan!
Thank you, son. You're here in Pure Gold.
We're now here in Pure Gold. Thank you. So, okay, let's go. So, ate, ano yung mga i-go-grocery natin?
Siyempre, pag Noche Buena ng mga bibigyan natin sa Baseco.
Sa Baseco tayo, ate. Si ate arrange it for the people na bibigyan. O, ate, may dala ka bang cash?
Siyempre.
Siyempre, ikaw magbabayad. Alam nga namang me. Okay, let's go.
Oren, my cash.
May cash ang how much? Guys, ako labor of love, si ate yung cash.
Yeah, sis, mag-advise si...
Okay, hindi na kami hinarang ni Kuya Guard. Kasi, okay,
Ganda naman ang Pure Gold here.
we have to do it fast kasi magdi-distribute din kami ngayon. Ate, saan tayo magdi-distribute?
Sa Baseco.
So, we'll give pamaskong Noche Buena for 300 families in Baseco. So, okay, ate, let's go!
Let's go.
So, ate, anong first natin kukunin?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti,
And onting pang
salad, fruit cocktail, what else? Basta enough na pang Noche Buena. Oh, ayan, nabilis ng angels to.
Well, look at the Pure Gold people. They're very nice.
Postcard po.
Pushcart. Ilang pushcart ang kailangan?
10.
10 pushcart. Kasi guys, we're buying for 300 families. So si ate coordinated with Caritas.
Yeah, kay Father Anton Caritas. And magdi-distribute tayo sa Baseco.
Guys, oh my God, it's so full. It's like this is an event. Hello.
Hi, can I have a picture?
Sure.
Thank you.
Anytime. Thank you.
So, okay, first up is pasta, ate.
121. Ilan ng isang box?
Okay, so okay, ate, how many spaghetti?
300.
300.
Ito kasi meron na siya.
Ay, ito may pang
May sauce
may
na.
sauce na.
Kaya lang mas maganda siguro
Individual.
naka-individuals.
Individual. Kasi ito,
Separate package.
like for how many? Like how many to?
Nasa ng sauce nito?
Ito na po yung sauce. Yung may kasama.
Sauce yan.
Yes, ma'am. Sauce na po yan, ma'am. Ito po.
So ate, anong kunin natin?
Normally, ano mas gusto nila? Yung sweet o Filipino? Lot, ano mas
They
gusto?
like Filipino style.
Ha? Filipino po.
Filipino style.
Oh,
Okay.
set. So, 300 pieces.
300.
Ito po yung fiesta na po.
Hindi, ito na lang. Ito na lang.
Ito, this
Diba,
one is
TK?
ano,
Mas maano
Filipino style party pack. So 300 nito.
300.
Guys, merong Filipino party pack. So guys, okay.
Pwede na
Ayun,
guys.
masaya naman yung family na makakakuha.
Lagyan na natin dito.
For the Noche Buena pa. Pamasko.
Kasya rito lahat?
Ito.
Tatlong pushcart.
Tatlong pushcart for this. 300 nito ha.
Ay, yung isa na may
So,
pang-spaghetti
okay.
na tayo.
So ate, what's next?
Yung pang-salad and
Pang
pang-ham.
salad. So meron na tayong pang spaghetti. So pang salad naman. Ate, pag ham, parang masarap yung CDO.
Sige. CDO ham.
Oh, si George. Hi, George.
Hi, George. We're here.
The owner of CDO. Okay.
It's very nice.
Very mabait. And the wife is so maganda. Wow, ano to? Oy, kumuha nga kayo ng suka. Ay, I want this. Okay. Eto extra. Pang papayat.
We're not shopping for you.
Yeah. But I want shopping for my figure. Every day, 1 teaspoon. Okay? Okay, guys. Shopping ko na yung sarili ko. Okay. Teka, ate, we have to get ham, no?
Yes.
Ay, may available kayong 300.
Let's ask.
Kailangan namin ng ham. Kung
300 pieces.
300 pieces.
CDO.
CDO. Oo, sige.
Ano po tayo papatin?
Patingin, no? Pa-check natin.
Yung cash is sa 500 pesos.
Not naman. Kumuha ka ng 5 for me. Gusto ko ng food cocktail. Ayan, get 5.
Ah, itong ham.
Tsaka mag-salad ka, no? Mag-salad ka, Inday, ha? Go. Ay, gusto ko yung maraming pineapple, ha? Okay, nasa ham na sila, ate.
Ha?
Tema na, meron? Do they have ham?
No. Kasi nasabi niya yung ham for sandwich.
Ay, pang sandwich, boss. Hindi pang sandwich. Gusto ko yung ham na pamasko. Ah.
Ito na yung mga hamon tayo.
May something like this.
Ay, ang ganda. Ay, yan ang favorite ko. That's so masarap. I like this. Oh, may 300?
Pero kailangan naka-ref yan. Yung nasa latang ham, hindi meron ba?
Ah, okay. Kasi daw yung iba, guys, walang fridge. O, kailangan frozen.
Yung nasa lata.
Papacheck na po.
Pa-check mo, sige. Pero gusto ko, lot. Mas gusto ko with rice.
Lot mo yan. Yung parang nasa
Rice
latang
with
pakatan.
pineapple
Parang
sauce.
ganun.
It's so good.
Don't think about yourself.
I'm thinking about my stomach, but I'm also thinking of other people.
That's the way to go.
That's the way to go.
So, dapat yung nasa can na pag ganon.
Oh, sige, let's get yung in-can, yung they can keep.
Wala.
Kasi na sila ito, may talang available.
Ay, wala.
So, kailangan freezer nila tonight.
Paano kung wala silang ref?
Luto agad, ma'am, pag ano.
Hindi, ano ba ibang brand
Eh, gusto namin sa Noche Buena nila kainin. Hindi tonight.
na can. Saan?
Dapat. Pang 24. Hindi pwedeng pang 22. Pang 24 dapat. Pero guys, i-distribute na namin later. Para masaya yung 300 families. I'm so happy.
Yung mga
At
jelly
teka, parang
pa.
gusto ko for me, sa bahay.
Yung mga nakakan. Parang ganitong ham.
Ha?
Yeah, dapat ganito.
Oh yeah, luncheon meat. Repping na natin. 144. No,
Yeah, kasi masisira if they don't eat it tonight.
Oh, masisira. Sige. Ay, gusto mo, ikaw itong camera.
Ako.
Hindi ka naman ready. Gusto pala niya magpa-camera kay Tin. Ang cute mo naman. Of course, pwede, ha? Sige, go. Cute. Oh, ate, ano nangyari pala sa ham?
Yung ham na lang kayong bilog na.
Alam niyo,
Masisira if
Masisira.
masisira yung
Maybe you
ham.
can get na lang can.
So guys,
Yeah,
kasi
let's get cut na lang.
combination. Oh, hindi naman pwedeng frozen.
They can put this in their spaghetti also. So guys, since we're donating to 200 to 300 families, it's not practical kasi masisira kung hindi linagay sa freezer.
Kung hindi nilalagay sa fridge.
So-
Guys, kailangan, okay, canned na lang. Guys, huwag nyo kami i-bash kung hindi ito yung ham. Kasi guys, gusto ko kainan nila sa 24, so madedefrost yun. December 22 pa lang. Guys, gusto ko kainin nyo yung Noche Buena sa 24, not 23. So guys, tip na lang. When you cook, guys, just add sugar para sweet ham na rin. Guys, sayang kasi baka ma-defrost, masira lang, di ba? Okay, ate, 300 of this? Okay. Okay, 300 ito na, guys.
300.
So ate, what's next?
Yung tayo sa fruit salad.
Fruit salad. Siya ulit. O sige, ano pangalan ng mama mo?
Erona po.
Erona. Okay. Okay, dapat maganda tayo. Hello, Erona. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Oh, ang cute ng baby mo. Greet daw kita. Hi. And thank you so much. Keep on watching. Love you, Erona. Yeah, okay.
Traffic, guys. Dito na lang ako sa
Okay.
corner, guys. I'm like the bodyguard.
Yeah, sure.
Where the bodyguard is getting asked for pictures also.
Ah, ate, this one daw is good. Sabi ni Inday. Fruit cocktail, this one na, 300.
300.
So, 300 nito, fruit cocktail. Ay, oh my gosh, of course, ang favorite creamer ka. Angels. Oh, so ito, i-mix natin with salad, no? Ay, this one pala. The creme densada. Guys, ate, creme densada is good na, mix na. So, okay, creme densada, 300. Nasaan si Jeremy, 300 nito. So, Angel creme densada, 2-in-1. Okay, 300 So, I'm so excited sa distribution natin later.
Yeah, that's why we have to
Oh, let's go.
Yeah.
Halika na. We have to be in a hurry.
What are we missing pa?
Oh, what are we missing?
I asked already the fruit cocktail,
Cocktail.
now the
Spaghetti done na.
spaghetti done na.
Wow.
Then the
Ham. Cheese.
the
Cheese.
Cheese. Okay, let's go cheese.
Cheese pa.
Teka, why kailangan ng cheese?
It's Christmas.
it's Christmas.
Queso de bola.
Queso
Okay,
de bola,
okay.
yes.
So that's the last na. Okay
Yeah,
na.
that's the last.
So we're complete na. Kasi we have to rush. Kasi we have to pack pa everything. And we have to get the pail pa. Ate, dapat pail, no? Ate wants pail para daw magamit nila. So ate, let's go sa queso de bola. Okay.
Ayos ito po.
Ano to?
Tama-tama.
Ay, nako. Yes, pimiento pa. And spread. Since kailangan natin ng kailangan ng bread, di ba? Spread and then bread. Okay, let's buy bread. Oh, order ka 300 din,
Oh, bread mo, ma'am.
Oh, yung bread. How much is the bread? Baka masira to sa 24.
No.
naman ang bread po.
Ha?
1 week naman ang bread.
One week. Oh, wow, what's this? Oh.
Yan na lang daw marami.
Ubos na. Hindi umabot. So, yung iba, ganito na lang. So, oh my God, hindi kaya ng 300. So, others will get this na lang. But, 2 naman, no? Okay, sliced bread. Okay, get bread. 300 din,
Okay, 300.
Okay, and just ko, ate is in a rush kasi yung kausap niya doon, yung 300 families are waiting na.
Waiting already.
Waiting, so ate is like stress, kailangan maaga tayo. So ate, let's go na to the counter para mag-pay ka na. Siyempre, ikaw mag-pay, hindi ako. I cannot go alone. Ay, Inday, maghanap pa kayo nung hanapin niyo yung
Ma'am, i-add daw nila yung yan kasi 200 lang daw po.
oh, hindi na naman kasha. So guys, nagkakaiba ng brand,
Baka ito marami. Baka ito mas... Actually, mas maganda to. Christmas.
Oh, yan na, okay. Christmas.
Tama.
Dapat 40 plus.
So guys, naiiba yung
40.
brand kasi it's not kasha. No, that's whole wheat. Ayaw nila ng whole wheat.
Ano naman ako dito? Gusto nila mag-diet.
For diet. Ako, I don't like to diet. I like to be busog.
Ma'am, it's time to diet. It's time to lose weight.
You lose weight, not me.
Okay, ready.
Wow! Very fit. Very good. So, since it's charity, mag-share ka ba kay Auntie Alice?
Share?
Share, yeah. In the counter.
Yeah, of course. And 1,000.
Okay, get ang pop from Tita Alice na lang for Christmas.
Anyway, you're all the one giving
Okay, okay. Same na rin. Hi! You too. Tayo. Cute. So, ate, let's go na to the counter. Hindi ka na. Huwag kang mag-alala kasi nagpahanap ako ng ibang items sa Angels.
Okay.
So, let's go.
Parang we can,
We can go
start
straight
paying.
na to Baseco. Kasi basta ate, importante kasi nagawin mo dito, yung mag-pay ka. Kaya ka you're here.
And you give something to...
I also, guys, I also want to give,
Yeah.
I'm also doing my charity sa mga other things na may sakit. But, of course, syempre, labor of love ang kailangan this Christmas and labor of cash. Okay, guys, di ba? O, sige.
Nasa may natin.
Halika, nasaan na yung mga
Nakita ko kanina eh.
Oh, ate, lane 6.
lane six.
Okay, let's go. Oh, let's go. Oh, si ate, ayan, ang concern niya, yung people waiting. Ate, ayaw naman kita lamangan. Kaya ikaw na magbayad. Ayoko malamang sa pag-pay. Let's go, go, go. Go na, ate. Parang gusto niyo bang bumili ng bread? Meron tayo sa bahay. Parang gusto ko ate mag-peanut butter now. Anong pwede natin kainin? I'm so hungry na.
Okay, we can eat there.
Oh, let's go, let's eat. O saan? Nasaan ni Lane 6? Lane 6 daw. So ate, namimiss ka na ng mga fans ko. Ang tagal mong hindi lumabas sa YouTube.
Mamimiss ko rin lahat ng fans ko.
Ah? Oh, wow. Oh, before I get the message, she said it na. Ano pa ate ang sasabihin mo sa fans? Keep on supporting Small.
Of course, I'm so happy you're always with Small and supporting her. And also Team.
O, team.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you for having me.
So guys, we're on our way to Ate where? What's that? Baseco?
6, Baseco.
Oh, counter 6 muna daw, ate. Then we'll go to Baseco. Doon kami mag-drop ng mga, sa pail ng mga, hi! Ay, sitos! Oh. Lot, I see lechon here and I smell lechon. Pwede humingi ka? Sitos lechon there, oh. Sabihin mo nga kay,
It's a short. Oh my God,
Lots endorsement lechon. Pwede humingi ka? Sabihin mo nga, hingi tayo. Oh, at ako, Ana, look, si Ate Alice, nagyayaya sa Sitas Lechon. Padalan mo ng 10. Padaday, okay, sila.
Okay, lot.
Thank you, Lot.
Oh, humingi ka nga ng belly, mag-uwi tayo.
Lot, ikaw maglibre ng lechon sa
walang tao.
Christmas, ha?
Oh, yan, Ana, look how swerte you are. We're here. Si Ate Alice, nag-order for Christmas.
Hingi ka sila ng daily po.
Ayoko ng belly, gusto ko yung balat.
Yung balat lang daw po, ma'am.
Oh, wala. Ayan. Okay. Angel condensada. See, okay. Double purpose na to for salad. Pwede ba natin uwi to? Kasi gusto ko mag-fruit salad din.
Ma'am, you have to make it at home pa.
Always.
Na yan, you're gonna make it in the car.
No, I want to make it at home and freeze it. Okay. Ay, teka, did you see how I make the Graham bar?
No.
Oh my God. You should watch it. It's
Okay.
I'm so expert. You're not even watching my
I
content.
watch your vlogs.
Why you did not see me doing the Graham bars?
Because
You watch it. I'm so expert. I'm so magaling. Okay, watch it, guys. Magsapay na si ate. Let's go. And Phil and Allison is on their way.
Wow.
Ay, ayoko iwan si Tim. Kiss mo, mama.
Sis Tita.
Kiss. So you're
So impressive, Tita Alice.
si Auntie Alice pa.
We're still waiting for the milk,
Milk pa, cheese whiz, luncheon, meat.
and
The fruit cocktail.
Fruit cocktail. Wala pa.
Mas na-stress yung management.
Guys, stress na stress si Jeremy o yung management nandyan, no? Kasi guys, puro kulang, puro 150. Kasi ang dami
Naka-traffic rin.
Traffic pa. No, ang dami na grocery kasi it's holiday. Guys, we're so happy to make 300 families so happy. And we'll do it today. Christmas season, it's time to give back. Merry Christmas to everyone. And of course, syempre, yung may mga health problems, syempre, we help
We have
them
to check
also.
the pail.
Yung pail.
Yung mga pail, nandun na sa Baseco.
Oh,
Okay. Yes, nandito na kami sa Pure Gold. Nagka-cash na kami.
so we'll
We're
give.
paying na. Then, nandun na kami in 30-40 minutes.
Thank you, Dada. Okay, si ate wants the pails para daw they can use it. Sabi ko, ate, we can put naman ng eco bag. No, sabi niya, small is nicer pag nasa pail.
So, ano siya po yung brand na napili niyo, ma'am?
Alin?
Ano?
Yung ano,
Alin?
Yung ham? Yung luncheon?
Magsalita ka. Ano hindi kasya?
isa po yung napili niyong brand na ham, ma'am.
Bakit? Ano available?
Ibang brand na?
Brand na
O, sige. So, iba. O, sige, sabihin mo, okay na.
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, wala na naman enough na 300.
Spot! Ay, borrowed na lang yung lagyan.
Oh, well, let's bring it na lang.
Balik ko na lang.
Balik na lang namin.
Borrow, no spot?
Para hindi siya maging flat. So we have to borrow para hindi ma-flatten. Guys, si Millet, nawala sa sarili. So kailangan ko siyang i-shake. Rattle and roll. Okay. So, sa pay na tayo.
Wala.
Kailangan extra ako sa payment. Kailangan ni ate ng moral support. Ate, naikaskas na ba?
Okay, moral support pala.
Maya.
Sobrang moral support. Ate, I'm
Mahal na
here.
mahal kita.
Oh, yeah. Guys, I help kasi some people who are sick eh. Kaya si ate na lang sa grocery. Teka, ate, parang I like. Gusto ko to. Teka, kuha tayo na extra. Tsaka bread. No, ngayon, I like to eat.
Ito na, kasi that's exact na.
So, sige, I like to eat. Okay, can you get one sliced bread for me? Kakain ako sa car. Oh, sarap like that.
Are you enjoying?
Enjoy!
Masyadong busy sa lechon niya si Lotlot. Tinawagan niya owner ng Sitos Lechon para meron na akong lechon. Hi, guys! People here, oh, they're here. Oh my
Where?
God.
In the car?
Yeah. Ano merienda ng mga tao?
I feel hindi ko pa naisip ang merienda nila. Kasi yung tiyan ko wala pang laman. Kailangan yung merienda ko muna. So ayan, I got bread and cheese.
Ano na lang?
Ay, chicken?
Kasi ewan eh. Walang bayad.
Kala mo naman endorsement.
Yeah.
Guys, if feel ayaw i-mention yung Jollibee kasi wala do endorsement. Kala mo naman, endorser. Powerful. May advantage naman pala ang pag-endorse ni Lot. Kasi guys, so everywhere we go na Messi, it's lechon, they give us free. So ngayon, ang merienda ko, lechon. And Lot, mag-endorse ka pa ng maraming food para marami tayong kainin. Henlin, nagpapahuli kayo masyado. Ayan, no, yung mukha ni Henlin, no? Yung nose. Eh sabi ko, gusto ko siya magpaayos ng nose slit, maglagay ng bridge. Ma'am, hindi pwede, ayoko. Ma'am, mawawala yung ganda ko at saka yung swerte ko kasi ayun nakita mo, mami, yan, ang ganda ng nose. Parang Henlin talaga, guys. Thank you. Ito yung pagkain ko sa car. So, I have my food sa car and I have my spread sa car. So, guys, ito, merienda ko to sa car. Phil, ito na yung merienda. Oy, si Phil may kachika na doon. Sige, okay. I have my merienda na.
Ma'am, how about the angels?
I will not forget them. But my stomach first kasi gutom na. Then I buy them merienda. Okay, anong gusto mo?
Dapat busog mo na.
What do you want? Nako, ito. Nagme-merienda na pala eh.
Ma'am, stop eating. We have to...
Defeat. Oh, by the
Defeat.
way, I'll sell
Everything
it in the
happened today.
car kasi akala niya will go straight na. But si Philip may kachika na at the back. Ano?
Gusto mo mag-rice or lechon lang?
So ngayon kakain tayo dito ng rice and lechon. Upon yung distribution natin gabi na.
Oh,
Gusto ko ng rice and lechon, okay, with a sauce.
sa kutsi na ng
Sa kotse, mag-eat kami ng lechon. Okay.
Kita ako din, Benge.
Alam mo, TJ,
Gusto ko din ng lechon.
si editor gusto ng lechon. Alam mo, pag ikaw sumakit ang batok mo at magkagaw ka, gaganyan-ganyan ka, kawawa ka na. Wala ka na namang boylet, wala kang date this month.
Lipitor ka naman.
I have Lipitor, syempre. Lipitor, baka naman. Putok batok. Lipitor, ayan, Lipitor, get me na. Kawawa naman. Pati Lipitor, yung cholesterol ko, it's so high na. But now it's not high na. I'm so healthy. PJ, okay. Sige, I'll tell you.
Let's go.
Ay, okay. Tinagpay ka na? Ate naman, ready yung credit card ko. Halika na nga, let's go. Si ate so fast. Ako na naman inunahan mag-pay. Gusto ko mag-pay eh. Let's go. Si Phil, nasa. We have lechon ate and sisig, ha? Wow. Abon ka. Magkakarga. So guys, lahat ba yan sa atin? Ay ate, ito daw. Ay, ito lahat.
Oh, all of this.
Ate, rushing na. Okay, let's go.
It's already 5 minutes.
Oh my gosh, ikakarga na. Kasya ba? Baka hindi magkasya. Paano yan? So guys, we'll go na to Baseco sa Santo Niño Parish Church and then mag-follow na kayo Lot, ha? Oh my God! Si Lot may
Ay,
lechon.
lechon nga.
Oh my God, we have
Libre
lechon.
ba yan?
Yeah, libre.
Yeah.
Thank you, Anna. Okay, let's go. Bye guys, see you there. Oh,
See you there.
Pagpa-follow nyo na lang yung mga items. Hello guys, this is Mal from the future. While we wait na makapunta kami sa church, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo guys. Kasi guys, may nabili ako na nag-grocery kami ni ate. Na perfect para sa situation ko right now. Kasi guys, OMG, si Aton in-invite niya ako para mag-yacht party. Of course, hindi ako maka-no doon. Kasi bonding with my favorite daughter. But guys, you know, I'm so puyat pa. Kasi guys, it's only 4 a.m. and we have to go now. Guys, ganyan ba ka-early mag-party ang mga Gen Z kids? Alam ko hanggang 4 a.m. lang sila nagpa-party. Now we have to leave at 4 a.m. Anyway guys, wala na akong time to prepare. But I'm also hungry. Which is why guys, gusto ko i-share sa inyo yung nakita ko sa grocery. Kasi guys, perfect tong pambaon. The Unipack Club Can Sardines. Guys, perfect to for someone always on the go. Unlike today, napupunta kami ng Batangas. So, pwede ko itong ibaon. Kasi guys, ready to eat na siya. No need na to cook. Pwede niyo siya eat straight from the can. Pero pag may time naman kayo, pwede niyo siya i-mix sa favorite dish niyo, ha? And plus, it comes in 5 variants. The Spanish style, which is my favorite, the sardines in soya oil, and the sardines in spicy oil, and also they have tomato sauce and tomato sauce with chili. Okay, I'll show you my favorite, the Spanish style. Okay, let's open it. Guys, oh look, it's so easy to open. And you know guys, it's so social. Look naman, the can is so premium. And they said it's so lightweight and made of aluminum. Kaya there's no weird tin taste. That's why you can eat na straight from the can. Okay, let's try this. Okay guys, let's try. So good talaga. And you know guys, this Spanish style, meron siyang hint of spicy, but not OA ang pagka-spicy ha. Kaya I love it! And it's so healthy pa guys. Look oh, may veggies. So sarap. See guys, pwede niyong pang picnic ha. And guys, it's so good sa rice and bread. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited na pa-try ito kay Aton and her friends. Oh, good. I can finish talaga right away. Try nyo din tong spicy oil and soya oil. Naka, you will like it. And guys, you can get this in select supermarkets nationwide. And it's also available in Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. Oh my gosh. It's really sarap. Oh, okay guys, I'll go na. Babaunin ko na lang to. Kasi Aton's calling me na. Okay guys, bye na. Back to the vlog na. I think nasa church na kami nun. Bye! So guys, we're now here at Santo Niño de Baseco Parish Church and nagsistart na kaming magbahat para yung i-distribute namin sa 300 families. So guys, nakaka-half na kami. And guys, we're supposed to be in the gym. Kaya lang, walang kuryente there. And so dito na kami sa Parish Church mag-distribute. And nako, look guys later, ang daming family outside. So guys, I'm now here with Ate, Phil, Tim, and Allison. They're gonna help us with the, distribution. So guys, while we're packing, okay, watch nyo muna ang happenings namin this December. Roll VDR! Okay, we're now at National Kidney Hospital, visiting the doctors and nurses. Small Laughter! Hello everyone! Guys, thank you for having us. And oh my gosh, nakaka-touch. Thank you so much for all the hard work and for serving the country, guys. Okay, saludo sa inyong lahat. Love you all! We have a visit like, and it's so nice to see all of them.
Happy, ready na to for distribution sa mga employees, okay? Okay, start na tayo.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Merry Christmas po.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas po, ma'am.
Merry Christmas, oh!
Well, today is the Angels Glam Team and Admin Christmas Party. So, for a change,
Not in the house anymore.
not in the house anymore. So, they should like dress up. Gusto ko ma-feel naman nila mag-dress up and mag-enjoy and hindi sila magkukook ng food nila. So, we're now here. So, let's go. Okay, I'm with Tim, Allison, and Daddy. Hey, can you say hi to the vlog, God? So, guys, para naman mag-enjoy ang Angels, kailangan mag-karaoke sila and dancing. And for the first time, hindi sila mag-cook ng food. Okay, that's it. No, we always naman na-cook, always catering. But this time, mag-enjoy sila and want them to dress up. Oh my gosh, ano itsura ni Pen? Anong outfit niya?
Si mga Angels guys, oh, naka-forma. Si Marlene, naka-choke.
Excited na ba kayo sa Christmas party nyo? Konting energy naman dyan. Makatulog na ba kayo? Gutom na. Sige, let's start the party. Pagkakain na tayo, pero before that, magpapray muna tayo ng opening prayer and yung food natin.
Hi vlog! Happy birthday! Sinatan ko na mag-video today. Hindi mo na ako mag-work. Pero ako naman nag-edit ngayon. So,
Hi Kuya Jerry, how are you?
I'm happy.
You're happy?
I'm energetic.
Wow, thank you God. You're
Merry
happy.
Christmas.
Tita, eto na ang kasama sa Osaka next year.
Ito na. Ano si ikaw? Ay, siyempre. Kasama. Okay, kasama guys.
Ayan, nakita niyo sa vlog Wala nang bawian
My
yan.
God! Talagang they're making me even. Kasama guys, kasama ka pero
Si Rocco, pasok ba sa Osaka?
Pasok.
Yung magdaw, sabi ni Ma'am, kanta daw kayo. Katagat ikaw ba? Likani. Oh, kanta ka rin na kaya din. Ay, si Jack.
Ako si Jack.
Ito si Jack. Ganyan.
Thank you very much, Queen Yasmin, para sa iyong napakagandang version ng My Heart Will Go On. Habang napakita. And welcome sa Small Island Christmas Party! Anyway, tita, dahil Christmas party natin to, and para sa iyo rin naman daw, may special performance ang mga angels para sa iyo. So you gotta listen and learn and learn to listen. Ready ka na ba, tita?
Ready, I'm so ready.
Tita, pakinggan mo yung lyrics kasi ano to, very important. Kailangan mag-focus ka sa lyrics, huwag sa performance nila. Sumama kayo, kailangan. Yung labada ni Nanay Betty, nakababad pa. Okay. Pero dahil para sa ito, tita, ito na. Ready ba kayo, Angels?
Mga dances, hindi sabay-sabay. Practice pa yan, talagang for practice. Sana mas okay na ibibigay kong amount. Ngayon, nabawasan na. Wala na. Okay, bawasan bonus.
O sige, tita, yung sa amin na lang, huwag kayo sa kanila.
O dahil ikaw ang head and master of the ano, bawas din ang lahat.
Ulitin! Dali, sabay-sabay. Practice tayo, bilis.
Sobrang hindi sabay-sabay.
Sobrang sabay-sabay.
Si Ben, hindi man lang nag-move. So, okay, gusto niyo mag-sing or mag-games? Mag-games. Games, okay.
Tuhod. Puno. Ulo yun. Ulo. Panina. Ulo ka. Tuhod. Ka. One only for one. So, winner natin, B.
Okay, dahil kulang ng dalawa, magtatawag tayo, Erica!
So, may question tayo dito na kailangan yung sagutin through spelling.
Okay, ito na ang tanong.
Nagkukusot, nagkukula. Tayo ay nagsasampay pagkatapos mag... Kung ang rock ay bato, ang duck naman ay ano? Duck. Go! Go! Ano ang Go! Sa lakas ng alon, may bangkang natagpuang nakataob. Ano sa English ang bangka? Go! Panalo na sila.
Ang Team Hardineros. Ay, hindi ba lahat?
Ito ang kailangan ni Narda kapag bumabagyo na. Sinusuot sa paa, paglusok sa baha. Mali! Tama! Sa kasabihang, batang mangulit, laging may black sa puwit.
Go!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ano yan? Go! Ang ganda na nakakasagot, wala ka nanalo.
Tama na, okay. Ang sagot, ito. Anong sagot nato? Ulit. Okay. Ang question ay,
Batang mangulit, laging may black sa puwit.
ang sagot nila ang tatay? Tay daw, tay. Kahit pa sa pag-letter na kasama. Ang sagot ay?
Palo. Palo sa puwit ko. Palo.
Gusto ko magbigay ng 45 yung tae. Tae na ang spelling ay T-A-I. Sa video.
Parang ang feeling niya, sure na siya sa usak.
Ay, grabe.
Alam mo kung nakita mo yung mga Toblerone, ganun kalalaki oh. Para sa Angels, yung talagang kasama na siya sa usak.
Pero
Toblerone,
kung suma ng pasusuot sa'yo. Pag suma ng pinasuot, madedeport.
It's this year, Lovejoy Home. So, Joy. Home.
Alam mo na, ano yung love? Ano yung love? Love. Joy. Joy. Ano yung joy? And then joy.
Joy.
Ay, hindi. Joy and hope. Ano yung hope? Okay. Technical difficulties, nahirapan sila sa Lovejoy Home. So sorry, Coco Martin. Pass muna kami sa'yo. Balik tayo lang. Hep, hep, hooray!
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Alan Becky.
Hooray! Hooray!
Okay.
Louder. Small. Small. Louder.
Good. One, ready hep. Hooray. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hep, hep.
Hooray! Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Practice ka. Okay, daw para bumawi sa mga sino mo na-appear. Ready tayo? 1, 2, 3, go.
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Malas na kasi after ano kayo. Okay, ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Hooray.
One, two, three, go.
Hooray.
Hooray!
Dahil ikaw ang boss namin, okay lang yun. Okay, ready? Ready, ako rin sa'yo. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hooray!
Hooray.
Hooray!
Hooray. Hooray.
Hip hip!
Hooray. Hooray. Hep, hep. Hooray.
Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray! Hip hip!
Hooray. Hooray.
Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray! Hip hip!
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hooray. Hooray. Hooray.
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Hooray. Hooray. Hooray.
Dahil tignan dalawa na natitira, ang manalo ay ang prize is 500,000 pesos worth of shopping spree! The mother. Or yung black card sa'yo for the day. A black card for the day. Oh, yan ang nag-call. Naka-video yun kita.
Ulit. Black eye. Black eye.
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hooray! Hooray!
Hooray! Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hooray! Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Ang galing. So dahil magaling ka, wait lang, una sa lahat, ang social to have a yan. Pero dahil mabilitan din natin. 1, 2, 3, go!
Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Ay, walang black card. Black card.
Bibigyan ko kayo.
Ano sila, guys? So, meron kang black card from your mom. Ikaw black eye lang kasi hindi na.
Serious, thank you, ma'am.
Merry Christmas. Thank you. Thank you to everyone who came also.
Standard message, Tol.
Merry Christmas! Thank you for everything. Thank you everyone. Everyone the staff, Angels, Team Small. Thank you.
Dahil dyan, bigyan natin si Atan ng isang hip hip. Hooray! Okay. Oh my God! Si Ate Beth ang nanalo ng washing machine. Very predictable. Grabe, deserving ka dyan dahil napakagaling mong maglaba. Ang para sa'yo, washing machine.
Tapos sinaan yung taas mo. Taas mo dyan. Yan. Sa tulog mo.
I know this is love, bakit na mamahal kita kahit di pinapansin at tagal ko?
How was it close? How was it low? Dimension? Is it
So, para sa mga talunan, I give you 500. Okay. First place is Miley.
Pero ka mo kita sa YouTube mo. Ano yung mga kalaman mo?
Araw-araw na pinapatahan ng mga friends. Alvin and TJ, sorry. Sorry, TJ, but you're the winner! Buti ka lang ma-hospital. Hindi pa mo ako. Alvin!
Magbabayaan ko lang sa libo.
Binilang ka talaga eh.
Follow me, I can see you crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me how we could have been falling in a
Ito yan yung gift ni Ma'am Alice. Yan. Mayroon pa sa bahay. Hindi lang namin kinuha yung sa bahay po. Ito muna yung galing sa... Ito muna yung bibigay ni Ma'am sa mga...
Ate, we have mga sobra. So, okay, we're done packing here. Let's check the other side kung okay na. Oh my gosh, andyan na sila, oh. Hi. Oh my gosh, guys. Yan ang 300 families. Okay, what's up? Wow, okay na. Wow, I'm so fast here. So, okay. Okay, ate, ready na. Let's start
Okay,
giving
let's
away.
start, distributing.
Wow, distributing na.
Okay?
So, okay. Okay, let's go.
Let's go, Jim.
Okay, the two kids will continue distributing. Kami ni ate,
We'll go to
mag-hi
the
kay
parish
father.
first. Yeah.
Okay? Okay, continue. So guys, so i-continue muna namin ang pag-distribute. Kasi guys, baka ma-bored kayo. Half pa lang, oh. Guys, ang dami pa nito and it's already 10:30. Hindi pa kami nagdi-dinner. So, okay, we'll make it fast. So, guys, okay, that's it for my vlog. Have a wonderful Christmas and a great New Year. And I hope you'll have the best 2026. So, guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye! Merry Christmas! Bye! Hey guys, thanks for watching my vlog. If you want to watch more videos, click here. And if you want to watch more videos, click here. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!